Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this oversized outdoor folding chair. I wanted to try this one out because it had a wide seat and it's supposed to have good padding. So let's see what the hype is about. All right, so this is fresh out of the box and you can see this is definitely on the larger size, but the carrying case does have straps to wear as a backpack, or you could also hold it like a gym bag. And my favorite thing so far about this chair is the padding. This has a thick padding on the inside, more so than any other chair I've had before. The padding is also on the seat as well as the back, so this should definitely be a comfortable chair for most people. All right, so let's give this bad boy a try. Now, I'm pretty wide myself, but this chair is even wider than I was expecting, and I have plenty of room on the sides of me. I don't feel squished at all, so that's definitely great. It has some storage space on each side of the chair to put a phone or some snacks, and the cup holder is also pretty large, so should fit most drinks. And it's easy enough for me to get out without any strain or worry that the chair is gonna break. So this is one tough chair. It's durable, it's bigger than I was expecting, and it's very well padded. So I think I'm gonna like this chair, and I recommend checking it out if you're looking for a solid folding chair.